In front of me is Naven Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to hit Display. Now tap on Adaptive Brightness on the left and use this switcher next to Use Adaptive Brightness to turn it on or off. If you want to, you can also go back and tap on the same switcher over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!